everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. So today we're gonna be making Korean barbecue chicken wings, but we're gonna be doing it the easy way because this is like weeknight stuff, you know? We want it to be like kind of easy but also impressive. So we're gonna start off with our sauce. Your sauce is gonna consist of one of your favorite barbecue sauces. I personally love Stubbs. I think Stubbs is the best. You're gonna need some soy sauce, you're gonna need some pepper, some garlic. We got our old dependable already minced jarred garlic. You don't even have to use fresh garlic, like this will do, it's fine. Rice wine vinegar if you do have it, super great if you do have it, not the end of the world if you don't. You can throw in some red chili flakes, or if you have it, some chili oil. I have some homemade chili oil. You're just gonna go ahead and mix all those things together. I'm gonna include measurements either in the video or in the description. I'm gonna use my handy dandy rubber basting tool thing, but you can mix it with whatever you want. We're just gonna end up using the baster anyway, so it just made sense. So once you got your sauce made, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the chicken. We bought a 2-pound pack of chicken wings from Publix. If you don't have a Publix, just your local grocery mart. A lot of the times the chicken wings will come whole, meaning the drum and the flat is still connected. Not a big deal. We can totally cut through these and it's fine. It's really just finding the sweet spot between the joint, between the flat and the drum. And once you find that sweet spot, your knife should cut right through. And once you do that, you have your separated drum and your separated flat. Go ahead and do that to the rest of your chicken wings and then line them on a pan with tinfoil. Once your wings are in the pan, go ahead and brush them down with some of the sauce. Then you're gonna stick them in an oven at 425 degrees for 40 minutes. And what you're gonna do while they cook is you're actually gonna take them out every 10 minutes, add a new layer of sauce. So that sauce is continuously cooking into the chicken wings, and so you create like a nice glaze. It'll be good. So yeah, take them out every 10 minutes, put on a new layer of sauce. When you're about halfway through, maybe a little over halfway through, flip them over, give the other side some love with the sauce, take them out every 10 minutes. And then on the side, while your chicken is cooking, we're just gonna do a little side of broccoli. All you have to do is get a bowl, fill it with some broccoli, throw in some olive oil, salt, pepper, toss that up a little bit, put that in a pan and spread it out. And when there's about 15-20 minutes left on the timer, go ahead and stick those in the oven as well to roast. So after all that, we're gonna take everything out of the oven. The chicken is looking great, but we wanna make it look a little more impressive. So we're just gonna chop up some green onion. And if you do have them, some sesame seeds, a nice little touch. Put that on a presentable looking cutting board to impress your friends or just yourself, because coronavirus still has us isolated. So all I've got to impress is myself right now. Just gets hard. And then I'm pretty sure you're good to go after that. These are gonna be pretty messy, so I apologize ahead of time because I'm gonna be looking messy. It's already going down my hand. These are everything I want them to be right now. You got the sweetness from the barbecue sauce, you got the salty from the soy sauce, and you got that garlic in there. Got a little bit of heat because I put in that chili oil, but oh my gosh, these are so good. To be honest, I haven't eaten all day, so I kind of like really want to be done with this video so I can eat these because I'm starving. I appreciate you guys watching. Comment below any suggestions. I'm gonna go eat now. Okay, goodbye.